All right, English 12 for Wednesday the 13th. Continuing here with the end. So I thought I'd give you guys an opportunity to kind of tell me how your experience has been with this situation. So just in a half page, kind of double spaced essay. I don't need a thesis statement or anything like that. If you want to throw that in there, great. But just, what is this situation going to change you in some way? Maybe either personally or academically. You do not have to be super personal if you don't want to. Okay? But maybe what has changed you based on, all the adjustments we had to make, especially academically, right? So maybe what has it made you think about differently? Right? It could be about anything, your friends, your family. Again, your academics, what the future is going to look like. Obviously, all of us are kind of in that same boat there, and we got to kind of reevaluate going forward here. Okay, and then the last thing you can respond to is, what's maybe one lesson you will take away from this in the future. Okay, so again, be as personal as you want or not. It's up to you. But I'm just trying to make these assignments, pretty laid back and give you, like I said, give you an opportunity to kind of vent a little bit if you need to. Okay. So tomorrow's assignment, there will not be one. Well, actually, there's one. I'm just going to kind of ask you what you plan to do in the future, since I might see you guys this summer, I might not. Okay, so just reflect on what we've been through the last couple of months. Okay, all right, see you guys.